So hello and welcome to Tech Altitude, my first video, and we are going to unbox the Samsung S3 Frontier. In my opinion, the best wearable you can give to yourself if you have a Samsung phone or in general you have an Android phone, as the Android OS Wear OS is not that good, and if you want another option other than the Huawei's Wear OS, then this is the best thing you have got. The S20 or the next S phone is just around the corner, and I guess there will be a wearable launching with it. But before that, we can just have a look what the Samsung had to offer before its new launches. So let's go, let's do this. So here it is, the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. The box is very cool, as you guys can see. Here are some of the features of the gear, and the price says 28,500, but I got it in 20,000 rupees, and it's currently priced at in the same range. If you check in on the Amazon, I bought it in the sale. So let's unpack this. And the S3 Frontier has an 1.3 inches of circular AMOLED display, and it has a ring to navigate around its interface, unlike the Apple Watch, which has a crown. We have the S3 Frontier on a magnetic stand. This is a magnetic stand for its charging. You have to plug in your charger to this stand, and you have to place your S3 Frontier on this, and it will charge wirelessly. Here's some padding to protect its edge, and see, it's magnetic. Let me keep this aside. And this is a platform for the stand. As you can guys see, there are holes in it to put the charging cable through it. We have a small strap, and in this packet we have the charger. Now the charger is a very basic charger, and it's micro USB, not the USB type C. I guess in the new one it will be a USB-C. So the internals, it has an Exynos dual core processor with 768 MBs of RAM and 4 gigabytes of internal storage. Let me turn this on. Here are the buttons, and it has some juice in it. So the gear is almost of the weight of an Apple Watch. It's almost the same. It takes a while for booting up, and here it is. So I need to download an app for this to connect it with my mobile phone. So that's for it today, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.